Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage. So, I found a unicorn, guys. I mean, a real true unicorn. This one even shocked me a little bit. I realized this is my own son. He's been very, very slowly learning to work on his own cars. Not really because he wanted to, but more because I forced him, and then he started to learn to enjoy it. So, as to why he's a unicorn, well, number one, he's a millennial. Okay, so the unicorn part, if you look in there, you can see this is a manual transmission car. It's a 5-speed. So he's a millennial that can drive a 5-speed, and even better, and this is the part that makes him a unicorn, he blew the clutch out trying to hot rod and burn the tires off, so he's putting his own clutch in this thing. I'm stoked. I mean, I can't believe this. I actually don't have to fix this one for him. I mean, look at this. He's got a table, all the tools are laid out nice, buckets to put his bolts and stuff in, got his axles out already. I mean, we're talking organized.
It's going great.
So, yeah, a real live unicorn right there, fellas and fellettes. So, anyway, pretty proud of him. He's been learning how to do this stuff and coming along with it. And he wanted to tackle this one by himself.
Yeah.
He said I could give him guidance, but I couldn't do the work for him. So, anyway, just a proud dad moment. So, I wanted to show you guys that. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for the moment. Fairlane videos upcoming. LS turbo motor video coming up. Stuff like that. So, finally back in the shop. Feeling better after getting over my infection. So, we got his Cobalt here, over there. His S10 wore a hole in the brake line. He's got to fix that. So, anyway, yeah. Getting some work done, but we're about, I guess apparently now we're under a winter storm warning. Starting to get a little breezy, it's cold, and it's starting to rain. Junior was smart and put the canopy up. So, alright guys, that's enough out of me for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.